Guys, welcome back to Waziko Graphics GH, and thank you for being there for us. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel, and if you are new here, thank you for coming back and watch this tutorial. So today I'm going to take you to the tutorial on how to use the patch tool in Photoshop. So many have been asking how to use the patch tool and some other tools in the Photoshop, and this one we are going to take on how to use the patch tool in the Photoshop to remove unwanted parts out of a background. And I'm using Photoshop CC 2014. So now let's get into the Photoshop, and this is the background I'm using. This is the background. So we are going to take off. We are going to remove this. We are going to remove this and this, then this one too is also part. So this is what we are going to remove from the background, as we saw on the so first of all, let's right click on it, make a duplicate and press OK. So now Ctrl+Z to deselect. So we are going to pick our, and this patch tool can be found in the spot healing brush tool, and the shortcut for it is J. So I'm going to choose here. You can see the spot healing brush tool, you can healing brush tool, then patch tool, the content aware move to, then red eye drop tool. So we are going to look at on how to use this one. So first of all, you have to make a duplicate. You can decide not to make a duplicate, but actually making a duplicate of it so that you can maintain the original background. So first thing you have to do is to select what you don't want, and here is what I don't want. So once you select, you click on and drag it to anywhere you want. So this one, you can see that it has made a duplicate of it. So let's make some change here. Destination, make a duplicate of what object you have selected, and source also. So let's try with the source. So here is the source. So okay, so as you can see, the source change, clean whatever you have selected and replace with the background in which you drag the cursor to. So here, like this, you select the part like this, then you click onto any parts you want. So you can see wherever I will take the cursor to is what will be replaced with the bed. So here, like this. So I'm going back to this too, then I'm doing the same. So I'm going to do the same thing to all, like this. So as you can see, something like this. Okay, so you can see the small. So okay, so as you can see, there's a small pattern. So we do the same thing to this, then right click on it and drag it to any part you want. So guys, this is how to use the patch tool in Photoshop, and thank you for watching this tutorial. If this tutorial has been a help to you, kindly subscribe to the channel, share it, and like it, and leave your comments under the comments button below, so that we can have, so you can try on hand on other, and this work for every in Photoshop. And with this one, you can see this the original background, and this is the one we work on it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If this tutorial has been a help to you, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it for others to join. Thank you very much. Here is Waziko Graphics G8. You can follow us on Facebook at Waziko Graphics G8, Twitter and Waziko_Graphics G8, and all the social platform is the same as Waziko Graphics GH. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.